What's happening with ARK Investing dumping 133,000 Coinbase shares? So Katie Wood's ARK Invest sold 133 shares on 1,000 on January 5th with a sales totaling approximately 20.6 million. Ain't that crazy? That's a bit crazy to me if you ask me. But bringing the total of around 78 million. Despite these sales, Coinbase remains a significant part of ARK's ETF portfolios. Here's the two scenarios I'm thinking of. One is that they're taking profit on portfolio rebalancing. They probably have an internal limit as to what percentage any single stock can be percentage of the overall portfolio. So that's one. If one stock goes up a lot as Coin over the past 6 months, they need to sell it to keep the same overall percentage of portfolio. And Katie has even confirmed this. A lot of people have been calling this bullish on the Coinbase stock. Could be also to buy with this more Bitcoin. So it's not the worst factor as people are saying. Like, people are so worried that this is one of the worst things that could happen in crypto and everyone is going to be basically running home. Absolutely not. To me, it feels like just the start of the big bull run. And a lot of people have been saying that they're selling Coinbase because the spot ETF listing is happening. I don't agree so. I think it's just the beginning basically of something much, much bigger in that sense. So that's one factor for that. But what we could also be seeing is basically the bull run price hikes incoming. So I'm definitely really, really excited for that in that sense. There is going to be probably more opportunities. She was scooping them between $18 to $50 heavily. Of course, they're taking profits. It's not profit. Their average cost is $254 in what they purchase on the price. So if markets allow, I would dump coin, which has increased 4 times this year, and all in cash that Bitcoin, probably ETF. And people are basically saying that Katie Wood has been selling these cryptos. Again, this is just a short-term price drop. Nothing too worrying in the long-term sense. So I definitely do think the scenario for this in the long term is that we are going to be seeing more basically price hikes in that sense. More price cuts, actually, not price hikes. And she was basically reselling that of what they can sell. So this has nothing to do with Coinbase stock going down. This is not bullish. It's neither bullish or bearish. ARK still has a sizable position in Coin, but they bought it at a 52-week low, certainly, so it doesn't make any sense to not take profit now. They've done all shares they would set either no, the approval will face challenges. Katie Wood is just going full degen mode and it would put it all in Roblox. So a lot of people have been calling out basically these big institutions for selling. I think it's neither. I don't think they're selling nor buying in that sense. So it's not that problematic if you look at it. It's really normal. It happens in the stock industry all the time. And down to 10% of their portfolio and dropping, this can't end well. Like, people are making too much of this. Again, it's a pretty normal behavior. But if you guys want more content like this, smash that like button and I will keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone. Why is Solana down today and what exactly happened? So let's smash that like button if you haven't already. Bonk falling 70% of all-time high. Now, what exactly happened with that, and why did high meme coin demand basically decrease? And this is exactly as I was predicting. Again, if you guys want more content like this, you know where the like button is. I really appreciate it. But that being said, the Bonk price has dropped by over 70% from its all-time high, which is absolutely incredible. It's this trough theme. The demand for Solana, basically Solana grew, but there's not enough users. So right now in crypto, the main problem is, yes, there is users for sure, but what about the, problem with users? Because if you have users, you have more holders, you have more buyers, all of that. But we don't really have any of that for Solana. A lot of the users have ended up leaving, and Solana just basically crashed down because the ETFs for Bitcoin, which is the biggest possible letdown, or it could be one of the biggest bull runs with the price rate hikes, basically the stocks increasing, and so it will crypto, could be one of the biggest factors. So that's what I'm worried about. Meme coins drive Solana trading volume, and it's basically very certain that Solana meme coins do help. They say they have no utility, but they actually are a huge factor for Solana in that sense. They have a huge trading volume, which basically burns gas fees. By burning these gas fees, Solana decreases in value and makes people holders more money. If the Solana meme coins are down, there's less trading volume. There's only DeFi, which basically for Solana, which doesn't exist, and some other projects. And Solana ends up not having as much trading volume. So meme coin trading has been a significant driving indicator in trading volume on Solana. So that's a very good thing. A lot of people were probably very excited about that. But what about the basic long terms? Do pairs involve meme coins while the remaining volume is associated with stablecoins? So most of the actual content here is not by Solana itself. So it's what we're seeing right now. It's, as I said, not the meme coins that we were expecting. It's the other way around. So that's the biggest problem I'm seeing with that. But I am still hopeful to see more like potential price updates for this one, because Solana is a great coin. It is a great token and it's not bad at all. But we need to see meme coins do something than just sit out there. Because look at this, Solana bonk in 30 days, 888 million, a laser also. So all of these coins are pretty much awesome. But in the long term, where's Solana gonna go? What is it gonna do? That's something I'm curious of. If you're curious as well, you know what to do. Smash that like button, and I will keep you guys more up to date with crypto content. Peace, everyone. There's a big problem for meme coin traders right now. There's not enough trading volume. That's something you're interested in. Smash that like button, because today we're going to be actually looking at everything that's different for crypto. So right now, what we're seeing in crypto spaces is that meme coins like Solana are really taking a dip. So meme coins drive Solana through trading volume, and a lot of big traders, they're actually trading meme coins for huge profits. I'm talking making 100K in a single day. By the way, Bybit link in the description below for $30,000 reward bonus. So what I'm really excited of in the long-term sense is that meme coins really have been a deserved win for everyone. So basically, traders who have been trading meme coins are making massive, massive profits. And that's the good news about it. We have been waiting this for such a long time to see some meme coins, price hikes, all of those meme coin bull runs. And this is the good news that I'm really excited for. But if we look at the long-term sense for meme coins, what you really need to know is that meme coins right now, they are still very early for a lot of these holders. So that being said, let's take a look at everything that meme coins have done this year. And what I'm really excited for is basically traders could be making millions by profiting off the low trading volume. What do I mean by that? Now that the low trading volume is here, expect meme coins basically to be more volatile. So what I mean by that is, if someone made a trade, if someone bought 1 million of Bonk at its bull run, it didn't make much a difference. But if someone buys 1 million of Bonk now, it can crash a lot more or pump a lot more. And that's where the traders for meme coins really come in and make these massive profits for meme coins. Because, you know, we are going to be seeing Solana price differences. There's going to be a lot of potential factors. The daily active account has declined from a multi-month high of 1 million on December 21st to a 614,000 early January. So usually January, it's when, you know, on the Solana network, we see these drops. I'm not too worried. Like if you look at the biggest chart, this is still close to all-time high users. So it's still a lot better than before. 2022 had a lot of traders. 2021, look, this is we reached a peak. Solana reached definitely a peak. I guess 3 million users, but it immediately dropped. Could have been an error or something. And also here you can see another spike. So really, still, meme coins are going to be making traders rich. If you guys want more content like this, smash that like button.